Good morning and welcome to the conference, The Power of Nature in Cities.
Positive, nature-based cities. How do we really make this happen? Like, what could municipalities do to promote the health benefits of green?
We have to face big questions.
Not only keep the trees which are there, but also keep open spaces which are there.
To manage the landscape around a city, it's not something you can do with a contract of 6 months.
When you have a park, you can put a tree in and it's okay. But now when we are in the dense areas, we need these big canopies.
Let your trees live a few years longer.
Mislim, da smo dobili ogromno navdihujočih idej, kako se lahko lotimo narave v mestu.
Je res dragoceno, da ministrstvo že podpira tudi občine in tudi občine same skupaj s strokovnjaki iščejo rešitve za to, da bi se čim bolj učinkovito prilagodili in izboljšali tudi urejanje zelenih površin in ozelenjevanje mest z uporabo moči narave.
Ja.